Welcome! In this video, I will be demonstrating how to install Pure on Windows machine. Pure is an open source project, so all the source code and releases are available on the GitHub. If you go to the main repository, you can see all the past releases from this tab. However, if you are looking for less noise, you can head over to the itch.io page. The releases here are highly stable, and there are less versions to choose from. To start, download the package to a location. And for the latest version of Pure, you need to install .NET8 runtime. Head over to the Microsoft page for .NET8. You need to install and you need to download and install 3 different files. The first one is the Windows x64 SDK. The next one is the hosting bundle for ASP.NET Core runtime. And the last one is the .NET Desktop runtime. I will demonstrate installing one of them, but the process is the same for all of it. After you download the installer, head over to the file and just double click. The installation process is pretty straightforward. After all the runtimes are installed, you can extract the distribution package of Pure. And inside it, you will be able to see 2 main executables. The first one is pure.exe. The second one is inside the Windows folder called notebook.exe. If you double click on pure.exe, you should be able to see this screen. That means the installation is successful. In the next video, I will demonstrate the basic usage of Pure. But if you want to access Pure from the command line, you will need to add this path to your environment path. To do that, copy the folder and head over to System Environment Variables. Click Environment Variables and add your path to path. Click OK and save. That's it. Thank you for watching.